Hi guys, it's Natalie Crochets and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing super well. Sorry, my hair is currently drying right now and I'm just gonna like put this in here real quick. I just figured out that my hair is like this curly or wavy. I knew that it was wavy, but I thought that it was just frizzy and crazy all my life. But now I've been doing this like curly hair method thing, and so this is how my hair is like drying now. I'm really excited. So my hair is kind of gonna like start changing in my videos a little bit because I just figured out that I have all this. Anyway, so I hope that you guys are all doing super good. It's Natalie Crochets and I'm getting sidetracked already. So I have a yarn swap for you guys today, as you probably already saw in the title. This is a yarn swap with one of my good friends. We're online friends and she lives in the Netherlands, and so I wasn't quite sure how this yarn swap was gonna go because I knew that shipping would be really expensive for both of us, but we did it anyway, and it was about, I think I said 20, I don't know, it doesn't say. Oh, it says 19.25 euros, and I think mine was like $35, $38 or something to ship. But anyway, so we did a yarn swap and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. I did already unbox it just to make sure everything was safe because this is my first yarn swap ever. I wanted to make sure everything was in there and safe and good, and it is. So let's get to unboxing so I can show you guys everything, and I'm super excited because all of this yarn is specifically from the Netherlands and I can't get it here in the United States, and I sent her yarn that was from the United States that she can't get in the Netherlands, so it was a pretty cool swap. Also, I should, if she's okay with it, I'm going to have a video of her unboxing her half of the yarn swap, and that's going to be a little bit later in this video, probably at the end of the video. But yeah, alright, let's get to unboxing. Alright, can I just start by saying the smiley face is the cutest thing ever, and also she put it in 2 bags because we were talking and we felt like putting it in 2 bags because I put her stuff in plastic bags would just be safer, just in case something, I don't know, got like slashed or something and liquid got in. I don't know, who knows? So we were trying to be extra careful. So on the inside, and I just opened this really quickly, so I don't exactly know everything that was in here. All right. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I am so beyond grateful that I was able to do this yarn swap with Queenie. So Queenie is her name. Thank you so much, Queenie. I am so excited. Look at all this yarn. Okay, all right. We gotta start. So, oh, and also this bag had a smiley face on it too, which I thought was the cutest thing ever. Okay, all right. I just don't even know where to start. Okay, so the first yarn that I have here is the Zeeman Super Soft, and it's in the color 61. And it is 80% acrylic and 20% polyamide. And it's 50 grams, 199 meters. This is a gorgeous color. And it's so like, I feel like this would be good for like little socks or something. So I'm trying to show you. It's pretty thin, but it's so soft. Oh my gosh. And she gave me 2 of those. Oh. So thank you so much, Queenie. I love this. This is awesome. So yeah, Super Soft is what it's called. And yeah, it's 50 grams and 199 meters. Okay, the next one is this one, and it's Royal by Zeeman. And this color is literally gorgeous. It's like this, it's like perfect gold color. And it's 100 grams, 241 meters. It's in the color 10. And this is 100% acrylic. So gorgeous. I love that. And she kind of gave me like a bunch that would go together. I'll show you once I unbox them, but okay, so this one reminds me of like a terracotta orange. Again, Zeeman Royal, and color 22, 100 grams, 241 yards. Or sorry, meters, not yards. Gorgeous. So yeah, so see, these two go together. And then she got me this Royal Zeeman in like a burgundy color, number 28. Again, 100% acrylic, and it is 100 grams, 241 yards, or 241 meters. Sorry, I keep saying yards, but yeah. So yeah, I thought that these three would go together for something really gorgeous. Like granny squares would be so beautiful out of this. Not that I know how to make granny squares yet, still learning, but I can do other things, I promise. All right, the next thing that she got me is another one of the Royal Zeeman, and this one is in the color 42, and it's 100% acrylic. Again, 100 grams, 241 meters. Like a beautiful little lilac, lavendery kind of color. Beautiful. All right, and then she got me this, I don't know how to say it, B-O-K-K-E-R, Bokar? I can't say it, I don't know. Well, it says 100% acrylic. If somebody knows. Queenie, I know you know. But anyway, this is, yeah, it's 100% acrylic. And it's 100 grams, 240 meters. But I don't know the color. Yeah, I don't know. But that's okay. It's literally so pretty. Like, look at that. Look at that variegation. Oh my gosh. And this one's really like, it's a different kind of material. Like, this is 100% acrylic, but this is different. Like, it kind of is almost, it's not, but it feels stretchy. You know that yarn when you like squish it and it feels like stretchy, but it's like not? I really like this. All right, and then the very last ball of yarn that she got, oh, I gotta stop brushing my curls because that's not what I'm supposed to do. The last yarn that she got me is velvet, and velvet is literally one of my most, like, I was gonna say most favorite, but it's one of my favorite yarns. I actually just bought a whole box of Bernat velvet yarn from Joann's that, I don't know if you guys are interested, maybe I'll show that. I'm just kidding, I'm definitely gonna show you guys. But anyway, so this is velvet, Specials velvet, S-P-E-C-I-A-L-S, Specials velvet yarn, 100% polyester, and it's by the Allison and May brand. 100% polyester. Yeah, I already said that, sorry. Look at the little packaging, isn't that so cute? And it's black, and I don't have a black velvet, so I'm really excited about it because I totally need black velvet. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much, Queenie. I'm just so excited, and I hope that you really liked your yarns that you got. And well, I know she did because she already thanked me and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and stay tuned because Queenie's gonna open hers in the next clip here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys!
Everyone, I'm Queenie. I'm from the Netherlands and I'm a friend of Natalie, and we did a yarn swap because in the Netherlands we don't really have stores like Joann's or Michael's or like Target. All those stores, we don't have that here, and the places I buy yarn she doesn't have in America. So we did a yarn swap and I got it in, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. I wanted to say before I open the package, so because I'm from the Netherlands, my English isn't perfect, so I really wanted to apologize for it. So if I say some things that are weird or I get stuck like on words or sentences or anything, this is the reason why. So I'm gonna open the bag right now, but I'm gonna do it off camera because otherwise I will mess up. It's the bag and I haven't looked yet. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Like. Okay, I'm just gonna get some things out. I don't know how much. Oh my god, this is hard to get out. Oh my god! I'm so excited. So, I see one. I already knew I was gonna get it. But I got 3 of these blue ones. I don't know if the name is worsted or oh no, it's periwinkle. I'm probably gonna look so dumb on here right now, but whatever. So I got 3 of the Premier Just Yarn worsted in the color periwinkle. I don't know if I'm like describing this correctly because we don't have it there. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's a 4 medium and it's 100% acrylic. And then, oh my god, I'm so excited. So I asked Natalie if I could get one of these because I've seen it everywhere and I thought it would look really pretty. So it's a Red Heart Super Saver, and I don't know if there's a name for it. I'm looking, but I can't find it. Oh, Cherry Red. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is a 4 medium and it's for a 5.5 millimeter hook. I don't know how to describe how to say that word. Yeah, oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, we're gonna get the next thing. Oh, there's also a letter in here. Wait, I'm gonna read this first. Wait. She put so cute. She put my name on it and it says for Queenie from Natalie Crochets. Oh my god. Got the card out. I was like kind of struggling because I'm the worst at opening envelopes. So it's like super cute with dogs and cats on it and it says thank you. And she drew a ball of yarn and a crochet hook and she said, "Hi, it's Natalie Crochets. Thank you so much for doing this awesome yarn swap with me. I hope everything arrives without any problems. I put everything inside plastic bags just in case the bag gets messed up. Love you, Natalie." Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so sweet. I'm gonna keep it safe somewhere because otherwise I will lose it. So yeah, got the next bag out and I'm so excited to see Lily Sugar and Cream. That's what it's called, right? That's what it's called. I don't know. But I'm so excited. I always see those everywhere. How do I get this bag open? Okay, so I got 2 of these. Yeah, Lily Sugar and Cream, I was right. I don't know what name it is. What kind? It probably has a name, but I can't find it, or I'm just blind. Oh, Mistletoe. The name is Mistletoe. Oh my god, I love it. I saw this in her videos, this color. Like, and it's also a 4 medium and a 5 millimeter hook. So yeah, it's so cute. And I think it's cotton yarn. I don't know. I'm blind. I have no idea. If I find what kind of yarn it is, I'll tell you. Then I also got another Lily Sugar and Cream, and this is, now I need to look for the name again. Tea Rose, I think it's Tea Rose. I love it. This is such a beautiful color. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's cotton yarn. I'm like so blind. So, oh my god, I'm so excited to crochet with all these yarns, to use it. Then I got, I think they're all the same. Wait. Oh, this thing fell off. But I got 3 of the Premier Just Cotton. I don't know if it has a name. the color is pink, it says, so I think that's the name. It's also so pretty. All these yarns are like so pretty. And it's also cotton. I've never used cotton yarn because they're not, I've never found like a cotton yarn in these stores that I go to. So I'm very excited to use this because I've never done that. So yeah, thank you. I accidentally deleted the video of me opening the last bag with the last ball of yarn. And it's a carrot cloud cake. I'm so happy and excited to use this. It's just like the softest thing ever. I also already knew that I was gonna get this because because she showed it to me. And I'm like so excited. This is like the softest thing ever, and it's in the color Cloud Gray. And it's for a 4.5 millimeter hook. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I'm so thankful for Natalie for her doing this yarn swap with me. So thank you, Natalie. And I'm gonna try and make a shot of all the yarn that I got from her. So yeah. That was it. That was everything she sent me, and I'm so happy and excited and thankful for everything I got from her, and hopefully she's happy with the things I got for her. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and you guys should definitely subscribe on Natalie's YouTube channel and also follow her on her Instagram and TikTok because she's just so talented and the sweetest person ever. So yeah, that was it, and I hope everyone has an amazing day. So yeah, bye!